What's going on, everyone? Today I'm showing you how to make a spicy tzatziki sauce with habanero peppers. This spicy tzatziki sauce is inspired by fresh Mexican ingredients, and therefore we're going to be using a freshly chopped habanero pepper in this one. If you're new here, welcome to Mexican Cooking Academy, where we celebrate Mexican food culture and cuisine. Over the last 4 years, I became obsessed with Mexican food, and in September 2020, I decided to make a move down from California to Mexico to pursue Mexican culinary arts and share it with the rest of the world. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spicy tzatziki sauce with habanero peppers. Tzatziki is a traditional Turkish side dish made of yogurt and cucumbers, and it can also contain onions, vinegar, lemon, and fresh herbs. Now for this recipe, you're going to need 1 habanero pepper, 1/2 of a white onion, 1 to 2 cucumbers, 120 grams of Greek yogurt, and 120 grams of mayo, which is optional but highly recommended, 20 grams or half a bunch of chopped cilantro, including the stems and the leaves, 2 grams of dried oregano, a few dried chilies such as chile de arbol, and some lime juice. As always, you'll find this spicy tzatziki sauce recipe down in the description. While you're there, also leave me a comment. Let me know how spicy you like your food. I try not to make my recipes too spicy, but if my audience really likes spicy, then I'm gonna try to make my recipes spicy as well. So let me know. And also do me a favor, hit that like button and the subscribe button. That's gonna send more of my content your way. And thank you very much for doing that. Now, we start this recipe by dicing the habanero pepper. Make sure you're wearing some kind of protection like gloves if you're not used to handling extremely spicy peppers. These can be very dangerous. They can quickly and easily get into your eye if you're doing any sort of eye rubbing movements while you're cooking. I've had that happen twice to me, and it is not a pleasant experience. So make sure you're being very safe handling these kind of peppers. You also want to chop your 1/2 of a white onion into fine pieces. Next, what we want to do is grate our cucumber or put it in a food processor, combine it with some salt, and let it sit in a strainer and drain out all the liquid out of it for about 20 to 30 minutes. While that's happening, combine the mayo and the yogurt together. You can use yogurt only, or you can combine equal parts of yogurt to mayo. I think it's a really combination to add a little bit more fat to your yogurt. Here I'm using an European style yogurt, which is a lot thinner than a Greek style yogurt. So I recommend you use a Greek style yogurt when you're making this recipe. Meanwhile, take your chile de arbol and soak it in hot boiling water for 20 minutes. This will soften the flesh of the pepper and allow us to blend it more easily later on. Next, take the softened chile de arbol and blend it together with the yogurt and the mayo to infuse them with the chili flavor. Finally, you can either blend all the ingredients together or combine them in a large bowl and stir to mix. And then finish it all off with a little bit of lime juice to pull all those flavors together. Maybe add a little bit of salt if it needs it, and pepper, and that should be it. And really, that's all there is to it. You got yourself a perfectly wonderful spicy tzatziki sauce. You can enjoy this sauce as a dip or as a condiment on your favorite tacos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. That's gonna send more of this content your way. And if you don't mind, let me know down in the comments what is your favorite Mexican dish and what you'd like to see me make next. That's all I got for you. Until next time, live long and prosper.